I have no idea what I'm bored. I'm bored. I'm just gonna try some dumb accents. What happens? I'm not trying accents. Oh no. I forgot what I was going to do today. That's good. So I'm just going to film a video here. This is me doing accents. This is not my usual intro. I forgot what I was doing. So I'm just sort of doing a casual video, and I should do some accents, yeah. This is my sort of a German accent, yeah. Yeah, it's crazy, yeah. I'm from Hamburg. It's crazy. I don't like it. This is my Yorkshire accent. I don't like it. Every time I do an accent, it sounds like my tongue's broke. But golly! I'm from Texas. Yeah! Yeah! I drive a pickup truck. A big one with big tires. This video doesn't make no sense. I have no idea what I'm doing in my life. This video. Oh, hello everybody, it's Prince Charles here. I can't wait to be king. When I'm gonna be king, things are gonna change. That's one of the worst accents I've done so far. I think all of them are bad, but oh well. Init Blav. I'm from East End, Init Blav. Skip it back, Init. I have no idea why I'm making this video, Init Blav. I have a Beamer. M3, Init Blav. If I know full well this is gonna be the one. This is gonna be the pan. I'm not, to be honest with you. The reason why I'm making this video of me doing weird accents, just I'm bored. I really am bored. So I was like, well, what can I do? Just film myself a video being me, doing my accents with, you know. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little bit hyperactive. I've drunk a lot of caffeine in me, so I'm doing weird accents. Just, you know. Making weird noises.